What's up? I don't know. Sorry, I'm going to edit. Oh yeah, maybe I should dance all night and listen to the beat. Should I hook up the speakers? You want to listen to the beat? I listen to while I just sing. Why? Why did you say that? Thank you for calling that sound. Oh, I'm sorry. Maybe this one. Amy. Maybe I should write what I've seen. The way to water is not to sit to be the one blow 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 to what is the right of the right but also not is the what is done for but of your own kill. So see where you go so myself is a better so lazy and I love see to ride of the pain. Of the pleasure of the worship at the see the disease of heaven, not to kill it surely. I'm sorry, but this isn't my writing. I am just eating my heart. It is what men care for in the nation. Can't you see why this earth is so poor and lovely to be truly the earth? So see, when you judge us, how you judge us, and you judge this, right this, now, so now see, what easy to be, these things I don't really, I see what I won't see, so I'm gonna go back to writing the answer this for Sophie for a second, it's easy as blending it, I can quieten it, not use any sounds. Can't you understand me? How simple this verse is? Behind the whole street is what's good place, so water not carries to the busy, why also nicer, so why is a nicer rock song? I got wrote in my blood on my birth certificate. Yes, indeed, he will not bow wills to all but to see her, yes, her. Well, that her is all her is for not seeing how sounds like me super loud and sounds by me. So she me since but it always conducted etc of the etc. I can show you the sound is fully or you understand it what the speaker to me about city. So easy while he so easy to easy so much easy history. Wonder if anyone cares to find it. Wonder if anyone ever did find it. Wonder if they even judged it how they thought they might have by hiding it from all the families. He Me less easy communication, the only form of communication easy, but people never always focus. It's the second question easy too. Besides somebody commenting something about some Jesus, did you see thinking about believing or something about something, and I wonder why people might judge my one description and my one discrepancy. That was gay because he was my brother's boyfriend. Which I ended up quitting Penge for me. Either concrete maybe fully since I'm only on this today. Wondering what to do, we wonder what to do, it's 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 wonder what to do. Wait, how do you spell single? It says I got to the next line, the sixth line. Mingly, so singly. To be mingling without mingling. What am I saying while I was playing Lottie? Now I'm gonna stop playing the sixth line. Say, okay. That sounds kind of. Oh yeah, that was the Amy Perfect Warrior 720p. I listened to what I was doing what I was doing just a second ago. But I tell you, because I like being truthful. It's just a habit of mine. It was awesome history that I made. I don't care what people care for because I never like to be liked. I just like making a beat for this earth. Yes, indeed, sir. Wonder me. Ooh, maybe I should do that. Just because something I've listened to before. Give me more, give me more, give me more. 720p AV. So, my action is So we were talking and no mocking to the walking to BT or the OCT, no what is he, the Waxy over the Maxi, so needs a more, So enjoy your scene. What is he? I said to he has to need it. Use my name. He back in me. So now he whiny. In that vessel can maybe I should go to attention Wendy and set off those movies. Oh. Maybe I should hide that. Maybe I should hide that. Maybe I should hide that. Go back to hiding. Well, maybe I should just might as well. Sup, sup, sup. This sounds like a remix. See, anywhere, so all I know mine does not goes on. Everybody ever wonder where you got the thunder with the meaning of the old loading of the thunder. Oh, see why it's to be. Why can't you ever see why it's busy love going with the history so much easier than using the voices of the people that made the history with my own babies have sounded since I got my tongue clipped only after 6 months of using this BT in pre-kindergarten easies. See why I hated so much of the other history on my own, judging by the family of the school list of the easy of all easies of this earth. Oh no, why so lighting of the flying, higher with the flying of the flying. Fuck, I unhooked it, yes, the microphone, so I will get back up. Alright, right now, little girls is back, so hooked up. So what's up? Go and see now, what is he to ever? Careless for the sound, there's so much go on. Yes, I am thee. So what did you hope if I see now? Don't care as to me, possession of this history, see. But will use my voice, see, for a love if I ever fell in love with you. Maybe if that loyalty wanted to use this versatility for using and abusing the humanity they made, gives it to speakers to me, and maybe even cares for any of these writings, or even to give me more writings or history that I can care for their own possession from. But I don't care for nothing but just being a BT of this so easy, but I will always have to be beating this easy with my BT forever with the whole BT of this whole easy. See the 3 BTs of all now. See what it's the love of the whole sorry of these forces of all these source of the two bodies of the bodies of all bodies of you thoughts. See why I see love each hours of my own heart. See why I'm his selfie or my true meaning or my history. See why I wait to see for the sound of someone's name and my history. See Skinny the reality, third soggy was saddy indeed. Can't help but see my first loves the soggy indeed. See. So what do you don't see? You may never see. I am sadder than you can ever see. He who loves to be easy, what he is always has been. Always judges by the many doing what men ask thee. Just like smoking weed, he found out at 12 years old. It makes you stupid like I was judged in pre-kindergarten for using a different voice for meaning of Sandy E. And I love the voices so much I thought my loves were retarded. And I loved really E. So I was like, hey, yeah, this supposedly makes you retarded. And that's retarded for me loving it. So what? To Tommy to love retarded niece of all this is stickiness. I wonder if it's still recording me. Yep. I'm so sorry. Maybe I should go back to writing. Mingly, so singly. How are you supposed to single? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I wrote another line. I'll be back.